Discovering Australia. A paradise of surprises and curiosities. Australia, with its unique wildlife, breathtaking landscapes, and a history that could fill a novel, is brimming with surprises and wonders waiting to be explored. From the strangest natural phenomena to astonishing historical events, there are many aspects to discover. For instance, Australian women are often recognized as among the most liberal in the world, with a high level of sexual satisfaction. This reflects both the country's open culture and its emphasis on comprehensive sexual education. In many parts of Australia, sex education is an integral part of the school curriculum, promoting a clear and open understanding of sexual health and rights from a young age. This contributes to women feeling more confident in exploring their sexuality, communicating their needs and desires, and building relationships based on mutual respect and understanding. Moreover, Australian society tends to value individual autonomy and freedom, extending to women's sexual lives. This appreciation for personal freedom allows them to make decisions about their sexuality without fear of judgment. The culture of acceptance and support for sexual diversity also plays a crucial role, providing an environment where women can safely and consensually explore different aspects of their sexuality. Lastly, the growing openness in discussing and accepting various sexual experiences and orientations fosters a space where women can express their fantasies. The combination of education, personal freedom, and acceptance of sexual diversity creates an environment where Australian women can achieve high sexual satisfaction, reflecting a liberal and progressive perspective on sexuality. Kangaroos. Australia's iconic marsupials. In Australia, kangaroos are not only a national symbol but also a prominent and constant presence in daily life. With a population exceeding 50 million, these marsupials outnumber humans, making them a characteristic feature of the Australian landscape. Known for their ability to leap great distances thanks to their powerful hind legs, kangaroos have a unique and unmistakable way of moving. Interestingly, kangaroos cannot move backward, a curious fact about their anatomy, and their strong tails function as a third limb, aiding in balance and locomotion. Kangaroos can be found not only in rural areas but also in suburban settings, where they are often spotted in gardens or parks. However, their abundance makes them an essential part of the Australian landscape and raises questions about their management. As urban expansion encroaches on their natural habitats, the coexistence between humans and kangaroos becomes an increasingly relevant issue. Managing kangaroo populations is an ongoing challenge, involving both species conservation and the mitigation of conflicts with human activities. Monitoring and protection programs aim to ensure that these iconic marsupials can thrive in harmony with human development. The Great Barrier Reef, a submarine treasure. The Great Barrier Reef is one of Australia's and the world's most precious treasures. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers along Queensland's coast, it consists of thousands of individual reefs and hundreds of islands. It is home to an impressive diversity of marine life, including over 10,000 species of fish, 411 types of hard corals, and a variety of other marine organisms, such as turtles, dolphins, and sharks. The Great Barrier Reef is not only a place of natural beauty but also a vital ecosystem that supports the environmental balance of the region. In recent years, the health of the Great Barrier Reef has been an increasing concern, with intensified conservation efforts to combat coral bleaching, which occurs due to rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification. Researchers and local organizations are tirelessly working to protect this natural heritage, using innovative technologies and promoting sustainable tourism practices. Various educational initiatives aim to raise visitor awareness about the importance of conservation and responsible practices during diving and snorkeling. The sensation of being surrounded by a rainbow of colors and forms of marine life is something that leaves a lasting impression, a powerful reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet. Every dive is an adventure that reveals the secrets of an underwater world, making the Great Barrier Reef an unmissable destination for those seeking unforgettable experiences. Dream beaches, a coastal paradise. Australia is a true paradise for beach lovers, with a coastline stretching over 25,000 kilometers and home to more than 10,000 beaches. From famous ones like Bondi Beach in Sydney to lesser-known but equally stunning ones like Turquoise Bay in Western Australia, There's a beach for every kind of adventurer and relaxation seeker. Each Australian beach has its own charm and unique features. Bondi is known for its perfect surfing waves and is a vibrant meeting point for locals and tourists alike. Beaches like Whitehaven Beach in the Whitsunday Islands are famous for their white sands and crystal clear waters, offering ideal spots for diving and snorkeling. Australian beaches are not just places of leisure but also cultural spaces. Events, festivals, and social activities that bring local communities together often take place on these shores. The conservation of Australia's beaches is a priority, with initiatives focused on preserving natural beauty and biodiversity. Beach cleanup programs and environmental education aim to engage both the community and visitors in protecting these valuable natural resources. With so many options, exploring Australia's beaches is a lifetime adventure, always revealing new landscapes and experiences. Whether it's a relaxing day under the sun, an intense surf session, or an exploration of marine life, every beach has a story to tell and memories to create. The Dingo Fence, a remarkable engineering feat. The Dingo Fence is one of Australia's most impressive structures, stretching over 5,100 kilometers across the southeast of the country. Originally built in the 1880s, its primary purpose was to protect the farmlands of southern Queensland and New South Wales from dingoes, Australia's wild dogs, which posed a significant threat to livestock. This colossal barrier is a testament to the engineering challenges posed by nature and agricultural expansion. Today, the fence also plays an important role in controlling other invasive species and protecting fragile ecosystems. Maintaining the fence is an ongoing task, with constant efforts to repair and strengthen the structure. However, the Dingo Fence also raises questions about its impact on the movement and behavior of dingoes and other native species. Researchers and land managers are working to find a balance that allows for sustainable coexistence between human activities and wildlife conservation. This extraordinary example of engineering is a symbol of the complex interactions between nature and society in Australia. The fence represents not only a solution to a practical problem but also an opportunity to reflect on broader challenges related to conservation and natural resource management. Fraser Island, a natural World Heritage jewel. Fraser Island, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the largest sand island in the world, stretching over 120 kilometers along Queensland's coast. This extraordinary island is a biodiversity paradise, hosting a unique combination of ecosystems. Its lush rainforests, freshwater lakes, and white sandy beaches provide a spectacular environment for hiking and outdoor adventures. A fascinating aspect of Fraser Island is its population of dingoes, Australia's native wild dogs. These animals, emblematic of the island, are a major attraction for visitors. However, it's essential to maintain a safe distance to ensure the safety of both humans and dingoes, as they are wild animals with unpredictable behavior. The conservation of this species is a priority, with active monitoring programs in place to ensure their health and habitat. Fraser Island also offers incredible recreational activities. Hikers can explore breathtaking landscapes, while water sports enthusiasts can enjoy the crystal clear lakes, such as Lake Mackenzie, and snorkel among coral reefs. Visitors can experience Fraser Island through guided tours or independent access, allowing them to choose the experience that best suits their interests and adventure levels. Conserving this exceptional ecosystem is a top priority. Initiatives are underway to protect local flora and fauna, maintaining a balance between tourism and nature. Every visit to Fraser Island is a unique opportunity to explore Australia's natural beauty, a true wonder that leaves a lasting impression on those who experience it. This corner of paradise is a testament to the country's rich ecological diversity and an invitation to discover and protect our environment.